Oh shoot, you see what I mean, guys? Let's go, baby. 49 cents, size 12. Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another Henrygothustle video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be going to Ross, just the usual. You guys already know. And I haven't gone in like 2 weeks due to like me trying to get rid of a lot of my inventory right now, because I have a lot that I've been sitting for a while. Alright guys, so this is the one closest to my house, and it's actually the earliest I've ever been to any Ross before, so I'm pretty excited. Maybe I'll find some like really good stuff that I've never found before, because people say like the earlier you go, the better things you might find, because like they put the new stuff right away. So yeah, let's do it, guys. The store is literally completely empty right now, so that's really good. So far I've already looked at this whole like little 13 and above section, and I mean, they do have some stuff on discount. These are $2.99, but they are like a size 18 or something, so I'll leave those behind. I only like to get like really big sizes like that, unless they're like 49 cents. If not, then I don't even bother, to be honest. Like, there's too much of a hassle just to deal with, you know? I mean, I know it is only $3, but nah, I'd rather not, to be honest with you guys. But I mean, they do have some other stuff, but as far as this 13 and above, nothing else. But yeah, I'll keep showing you guys what I do find, and let's see what we find. See what we get. We got this one right here. 40 bucks. You already know it's an automatic pass. Like, not even worth checking at all. I see those. I haven't seen these before. These are actually kind of cool. I'll look them up, but only because I've never seen them before. So for that reason, I'm gonna look them up. Let's see, are these Dr. Martens? Hold on. I don't know if they're Dr. Martens or not. I don't think they are though. Oh shoot, I've never found Dr. Martens before. That's crazy. $50 though, and they are size 14, so probably not, but I'll look them up anyways. But I don't think it's gonna be a cop. We'll see. I mean, Dr. Martens do sell pretty well, so we'll see. And then, I mean, nothing else. I mean, I saw these last time that I came, but those were like not selling for that much. So, oh shoot, you see what I mean, guys? Let's go, baby. 49 cents, size 12. Whenever it's stuff like this and it's a good size, like, you don't even need to look it up, but you just put it in the cart if it's that price, you know. $7.99. Not sure what this is, but I'm gonna pass. We got some Adidas right here, $22 or $24 actually. I'm gonna pass on that. I'm gonna check this really quick. 14, 13, 20, 9. Nothing here. See what else they got. $19.99. Pass. Let me see what these are. Life short to waist. I'm not sure what these are. I'll look them up. I'll look them up. Because I've been seeing a lot of Converse actually have been selling for a lot of money lately. So doesn't hurt to just try. Just look them up real quick for a second. Alright guys, so I just finished looking through the entire men's section, and to be honest, there wasn't really anything that much. I did get a really good one on these ones right here, these Adidas. I'm not too sure. I feel like these might be, I don't know, volleyball or maybe tennis or something, I don't know. But everything else I do have to look it up still, so I mean, we'll see how it goes. And I'm still gonna go to the women's and kids section, so still might be possibility to find more things. But look at the kids. The kids is absolutely like empty right now. There's nothing. It's bone dry. So now we'll keep looking. I'm just gonna look at these real quick. $27.99 for these. Those is better. But yeah, that's gonna be till the end. So let's just go to the women's first, and we'll do it. I guess we just got here to the women's, and so far, I mean, do have like a lot of random stuff. I mean, I come to this Ross all the time, so I mean, I kind of know what they're gonna have ahead of time. I mean, excluding all the new stuff, obviously. So these, they have too many of these. It's just like, if these are like, I don't know, maybe like less than $20, I'll pick them up. But when they're like more than that, I don't even want to bother with those, to be honest. I don't know. Do you guys pick that up? Let me know in the comments, because when I see them for anything more than 20, I just throw them back there, to be honest. I don't even bother. Let's see. Got these, 40 bucks. $23.99. Like I said, I'm gonna look at the kids, and then I'm gonna come back later so I can see if they mark it down, because I don't know if they're in the process of doing that right now. So we'll see. And now let's go to the kids. The kids low-key looks kind of dry. Which, oh, these Mercurials, these. It's been a minute since I finally it's been a minute since I found some high-end soccer cleats. 30 bucks. I don't know. They're kind of a small size, but we'll see. I'm definitely hyped about this though. That's pretty dope. Yeah, it's been a minute for sure. $9.99. I like to pick up like kid shoes when they're like really cheap, or like, I mean, soccer cleats, or like any cleats in general. See, are these high end? I don't think they are. Nah, these aren't high end cleats. I got hyped from that one. Now I think every single cleat is high end. For those of you who didn't know already, I actually am like a huge fan of soccer. It's actually been my favorite sport since I was like 6 years old. So I've always known all the soccer cleats, but recently, like ever since I started reselling, which is like the beginning of this year, I haven't really kept up with the soccer cleat names or whatever, because when I used to play and everything, like I knew them by heart. But I mean, I still know everything, to be honest. Actually, never mind, I do know everything. It's just that like I used to know it by heart, you know. 40. I'm gonna leave those behind. Those used to do pretty good, but they low-key tanked. These Champion are actually kind of cool. They look like a winterized version. Those are actually kind of cool. Normally Champion has some like tacky stuff, at least for the shoes, because their clothes is pretty nice. But those are pretty cool. Those shoes, actually, I'll give you credit for that. Oh, what are these? These are low-key pretty sick. I don't know. I normally don't ever look up that many things Converse, but I've been seeing a lot of people finding a lot of crazy finds from Converse, so I'm just looking up everything. I've never seen these before. I think these are like the surfing shoes, the surfboarding or whatever, but it's cool to see them in person though. $33. That's cool. I mean, if you surf, hey, come pick them up. That's pretty sick though. I've never seen that before here. I'm telling you guys, it's the move. You guys need to come early, because I'm finding a lot of things I never usually normally find. Because like those high-end soccer cleats, you know, those don't sit for that long. Those get scooped up real quick. So definitely gotta come early.
One hour later.
Yo, what's good, everybody? So I just finished from that haul from the first Ross, and I didn't get too many things. I only got like 4 things, but the things I did get were quality items, so I'm pretty stoked about it, and I'll show you guys like exactly like what they are and stuff like that when I get home. But we're at McDonald's right now, and I'm pretty sure you guys know why. It's to try out that Travis Scott burger, and low-key I'm being a hype beast right now trying this burger. But I mean, it's only $6. I mean, I'll just try a burger, you know, I'll have a meal, see what the hype is about. And I mean, if it's like a letdown, I mean, whatever, at least I had a meal from it, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna try it right now, and I'm gonna order it, and then I'll show you guys what the burger looks like, I guess, when I get home. I don't know, I don't want to make a big fuss about the burger, but I'll just show you guys what it looks like for those of you who are curious. And yeah, I'll show you when I get home later, guys. Hey guys, I just got home, and this is the meal. I mean, it's nothing too crazy, to be honest. It's just a normal like burger. I think it's like a couple like extra toppings that like he likes, or I think something like that, like bacon and like pickles and a few other stuff, and then just like a normal Sprite, some like barbecue sauce, because I think that's what he likes to put on it or whatever. and then just some fries, and I mean that's pretty much it. Hey guys, so I just finished my Travis Scott burger, and honestly I thought it was pretty good. I mean, it's just like a normal burger from McDonald's, to be honest, just with like the extra toppings. So I mean, it was good. The barbecue sauce that is included with it, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it was pretty good. So I mean, overall, I mean, it's good. I mean, it's just like a normal burger, but it was pretty good. And yeah, let me show you guys, like I promised, what I did get from Ross. So first up, I did get these high-end Nike Mercurials. I forgot exactly like the full name, but yeah, retail on these is $250 and they're only $30. They were a men's size 5.5, so it is on the smaller side, but they're really clean. Like, these are really nice pair of Mercurials, and yeah, like I said, retail $250, bought them for $30. And even though they're men's size 5.5, they are women's size 7, so maybe a lady can pick them up or something. But yeah, comps on these on eBay, they're selling anywhere from I want to say 100 to 150, and there was only 3 listings on eBay for this size that I have right here. So yeah, $30, and was really excited to pick these up because I haven't found high-end Mercurial soccer cleat, or actually I haven't found any high-end soccer cleat since December, when I found those all black Mercurials, the high top ones, the one with the sock, the one that everyone was finding at Burlington. That was like in December, January time. So yeah, that's that one. And then next up, I have these weightlifting shoes for women. I already knew this was money once I saw this, because I have seen a lot of other resellers pick this up, and they had pretty good comps. So yeah, $20. They were women's size 7.5, so pretty good size. And when I checked the comps, they're selling anywhere from $80 to $110. So for $20, definitely a really good deal. And this one was crazy. I'm pretty sure for those of you who are resellers, like, have found a lot of stuff this cheap before, but just people who don't resell, this is gonna be crazy for you. This is actually, no, that's crazy for anyone, whether you're a reseller or not. Actually, never mind, let me change what I'm saying. But anyways, these are 49 cents, which is absolutely crazy because they're brand new pair of shoes. And yeah, these are baseball shoes. I just looked them up right now. They're actually baseball shoes. Retail's $90, and they were selling anywhere from $40 to $60. So for 49 cents, that's the instant comp. Honestly, when they're just that cheap, and you don't even need to look them up, to be honest. Like, at least I don't. It's just like, doesn't really matter. You know you're gonna pick it up anyways. If they're in a good size and they're 49 cents, just scoop them up, you know. And then next up, I have these Huaraches. They're kids sizing. They're kids size 5, I think they were. Let me see, just let me double check. They were kids size 6, kids size 6Y. So that's equivalent to women's size 7.5. So picked them up for that reason, and they were pretty cheap. They were, let me see where the tag's at, because they're here somewhere. I'm just trying to find it. Let me see. Yeah, the cashier took them out, took off the tag. That's why I was inside the shoe. Let me try to make it focus. Let's see.
2 hours later.
There you go. Oh my god, like 10 hours later. So $27.99. I bought them because they were really cheap, and they're kid size 6Y, which is equivalent to woman size 7.5. And yeah, $28, pretty good. And the comps were looking like, I want to say 70 on the low end, all the way up to 100. So pretty good in my opinion. And I thought they're really nice Huarache colorway. So yeah, I only got 4 pairs from today's haul. So not too much, but the things that I did get were quality items, so I thought it was pretty good. So yeah guys, those were the 4 pairs I ended up getting from today's haul. I didn't get much, but I just wanted to tell you guys like my story and everything. I am only 18 years old, for those of you who didn't know, and I don't have a driver license at the moment. I don't even have a car or anything. So the people who I depend on is like my parents. They take me, but they are busy, obviously. I mean, they're adults, so they have their errands and everything they need to run, and so they're always like busy and stuff like that. So I try not to ask them that much, just because I don't want to bother them. So for that reason, I only go, if I ever do go, it's like once a week, which I don't recommend to anyone who's a reseller or wants to become a reseller. I recommend that you go at least like 3 times a week to different Rosses in your city or something, just so the likelihood of you finding better deals will like be way higher and stuff like that. I mean, if you go to one Ross, I mean, it just limits everything. I mean, you're gonna keep seeing the same stuff, and it's just gonna be a lot harder, and that's what I go through. So I am studying right now to get my permit. I want to be able to obviously be able to source by myself and not have to depend on my parents. But also, I mean, it's my hustle, you know, so I don't want to have to ask them to take me all the time, just me be able to do my own thing. So I'm thinking about, because I only go to one store most of the time and my stuff is very selective what I get, I'm thinking about maybe if I go to the store and I don't find anything, I think I should just make a video anyways, just to show you guys like that not everything is always like, oh, like sunshine and rainbows, like you find like crazy holy grails all the time, like, because I feel like resellers do that a lot. So I think I'm gonna start doing that from now on, making videos even if I don't find anything. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.